The cost of insurance is a major issue for every motorist, homeowner and business person throughout the country. And since we came into government, we're really tackling this issue. We're reducing the excessive costs of some of the claims that have come before the courts over the years. And this is already leading to a reduction in the cost of insurance for many people. I also have responsibility for credit unions. The first thing I did was to reduce the levies that they pay to the central bank each year. I did that by reducing them by over 50% from last January. I'm also working on a policy framework to help grow the credit union business throughout Ireland, as they have such an important role to play in every single community throughout the length and breadth of the country. The financial services sector is a very important area for the Irish economy, and I am concentrating on the financial technology area known as Fintech, because I want to make sure that Irish people have easy access to all financial products available in the country. And I have finally one message to say about being in government. It's all about rolling up the sleeves and getting the job done for the people of Ireland.